are you today? And welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you how to make something quick and easy breakfast. We're gonna make a breakfast melt sandwich. So what we have here, let's start. Let's warm up our frying pan first. And I have some Canadian smoked bacon. We're gonna chop them small pieces. Voila, go into the frying pan. Let's start here with the bread first. I need 2 eggs. Whisk them a little bit. Lovely. Now what I'm using here, I'm using multigrain Bavarian bread. You can use any bread you want, but me, I'm using multigrain Bavarian bread. So what you need here, just dip it in the eggs, slide all the way out, just make sure the eggs cover the whole bread. And into the pan, same thing here. In and out, make sure the eggs cover the whole bread. And ready to go. Here. Mix again a little bit. I want to add some flavor, so I'm gonna add some orange zest here. Voila. Now you can keep your bacon a little bit longer to have it nice and crisp. Me, I like it still a little soft. Let's add the eggs. Voila, give it a little mix first to make sure the eggs mix with the bacon. Voila. That's pretty much a supreme sandwich. And I'm gonna add some white cheese, which is I'm using cheddar cheese on the eggs, and I'm using provolone cheese on the sandwich here. Beautiful. That's what we want. Let's have it here on the side. Now let's transfer the eggs into the sandwich. Yummy! Look at this. And that's beautiful. Knife to cut the sandwich. Let's plate our sandwich here. Voila, look at this. Look at this. Let me hold it together. Beautiful, nice garnish on the side. Voila, there you go. It's an egg melt sandwich. Sorry, I gotta let you go because I'm starving and I'm gonna destroy the sandwich. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.